Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Manny. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and close-up look of the Asus ROG Rampage 6 Stream. This board was recently released by Asus, kind of to address the issues with the old Rampage 6 Stream that was suffering a lot of VRM heat issues. So with this new version, they addressing that by improving the VRM cooling. With that being said, guys, let's just get out of the box and take a look. Stay tuned. All right, we got the Asus typical stuff. I guess this is what is this? Multiple technical updates, information, your ROG stickers, the USB utility drive, which is nice, man. Since they start doing this, I love it. You know, you don't have to use CD-ROM, which I don't think anybody's using CD nowadays. But hey, you still got those old school people. All right, this is your connectors for your front panel, you know, your power button and all the stuff is here, right? So what is this? That's a 3M dual side, what is it, dual side sticker, whatever. Screws, more screws. All right, this is your MDAP2 NVMe. I would call it expansion card. I don't have the name of it right now, so but pretty much it takes two M.2 NVMe's in here, and you plug it in on the side of the board. So I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, so you got 1, 2, 3 SATA cables right here. This cable right here, I believe this is going to be for your or the expansion card, which is for the fans and stuff like that. And this is your, I guess, addressable RGB extension. Another one right here, RGB, an extension, PSU extension. Well, not PSU. This is for that card that I told you guys. This is the power connector for it. These are your thermal sensor. This is I don't know if you guys remember, they used to have another one which was kind of slimmer than this, like an extension fan header or fan connector, whatever you want to call it. So PWM fan extension. This is like a updated version, which includes I think RGBs, you know, connectors. You see this fan headers, PWMs. This is RGB right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if I can bring it closer. There you go. In the back. Oh, nice. They including a screwdriver. All right, this is your SLI bridge. All right. A lot of people, they're not even, you know, sorry about that. They're not even doing SLIs anymore, man. These video cards are getting so expensive nowadays with this RTX. So, what we got here? Cable mount, coupon. That, I think this is gonna be for me, guys. So, put it on the side. This I asked before, what was this? This is to put your cups and stuff like that. I never knew, guys. Thank you for that, but I never knew what was this for. But, you know, for your drinks, you know. Your fan, there you go, fan extension card too. That's what that was. This right here. This is your fan extension card. Version 2. Remember I told you there was a version 1, which is kind of longer. That's what it is. Put that there. This is, thank you for purchasing ROG. You made a choice of champion card. All right, too much bloatware, stuff like that. This is your manual. All right, and ROG case badge. I was missing something. Oh, I'm missing this. These are the antennas, guys. I'm not even gonna take it out because they all look the same. All Asus board, pretty much, they all come with the same, like shark antennas. That's shark type antennas. That's the way they call it. So I'm not even gonna take it out of the box. So let me just leave that right there, guys. This thing looks nice and sweet. Boy, oh boy, this thing looks sexy. I will tell you right now, guys, this is pretty much kind of the same as the old Rampage 6, with the exception of this. I kind of saw the Rampage 6, the original one, I went to Micro Center and I got a chance to look at it personally. So it's pretty much the same board except that everything right now is black. And now you have the updated VRM cooling, which includes these two fans right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There are two fans behind this metal casing. All right, so to cool the VRM. So I guess when I go over, on the close-up, you guys will be able to look at it. So, but I can tell you right now, guys, this board looks sexy with that black PCB, man. Wow. And it feels heavy too. This is where you put that M.2 extension right here. Let me just hold it like this because I don't have nothing holding it. You got all your memories right there, memory slots. These are quad channel memories, okay? This is your M.2 extension card that I showed you when I was taking everything out. Your 24 pin. You have your dual 8-pin power connector right here on the top. All right, this is the fan for the VRMs. Like I said before, this is a metal. Okay, so what we got here? Let's see how many fan headers we find. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I think this is for the pump. So you got about 8. This is for you. This is your addressable RGB header. This is your USB 3.1 Type C connector. Your USB 3.0. And these are your SATA connectors right there. If you can see it right down the camera, you use that too. This is like, these are the regular things that comes on the board, guys. I'm not really going to go over it too much because then the video gets too long and you guys get bored, get tired, and then but I just want you guys to look at it, take a close-up look of it. You got 3 PCI X16, but these two are full X16. This is X4. No, this is XA. These are X16. I think this is X4. So your Supreme FX audio, your start and reset button. In the bottom here, you have you retry and you say boot right there. Your USB 2.0, another USB 3.0. In here, I believe you have another M.2 slot. All right, and we'll have to remove the whole thing. In the back, right there, integrated shield right there. You have your reset and your BIOS update switch right there. Your antennas. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 USB 3.0. These are another one, but you can use this USB to update your BIOS, right? This is your 10 gigabit Ethernet LAN. You got more USBs here. USB Type C. Another USB, your regular Ethernet, and your audio ports right there. So in the back, you have the armor shield right there, all over with the ROG stuff. So, and this plate right here supporting, sorry for that guys, it's a little bit hot in here. This is your plate supporting the VRM heatsink. So okay, let's put it down, guys. So, well, guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and close-up look of the ROG Rampage 6 Extreme Omega. I was dying to get my hand on this, and because I want to try it. I'm looking forward to change my Asus Sage that I'm currently using. So, and let's see how we do. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, share it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.